Exploring the phrase, tour route. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the English language to unravel the meaning of the phrase, tour route. If you're an avid traveler or just curious about the language, this is going to be an enlightening journey. So, let's get started. First things first. To understand the phrase, let's break it down. 1. Tour. This word generally refers to a journey or trip, especially one taken for pleasure. Think of it as traveling around different places, often with a guide, to see and experience what those places have to offer. 2. Route. A route is a way or course taken to get from a starting point to a destination. It's essentially a path, road, or series of directions to follow. Now, when you combine these two words, what do you get? The phrase, tour route, refers to a predetermined or planned path or itinerary that people follow when they are touring or traveling. This could be a route that takes you through a city's most famous landmarks, a country's cultural sites, or even nature's most breathtaking views. For example, if you were on a tour route in Paris, it might include stops at the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and Notre Dame Cathedral. It's like a guide map to ensure you get the best experience of the place you're exploring. Understanding a phrase is great, but knowing how to use it in sentences is even better. Here are some examples. 1. The tour route of the museum covers all the major exhibits. 2. Our bus will follow the official tour route, so you won't miss any attractions. 3. She preferred to explore the city without a fixed tour route. So there you have it. The phrase, tour route, is your pathway to exploring and experiencing the best parts of a destination. Whether you're a stickler for structured travel or someone who likes to wander, understanding this phrase will come in handy. We hope this video has made your English learning journey a tad bit smoother. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.